Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how to install the Internet Download Manager extension onto Google Chrome and integrate it with your browsing experience. Now I had to look around for solutions to this problem. Apparently a lot of people have this problem and many of the old solutions don't seem to work anymore. So I guess this will be interesting to see if it works for you or not. So what you want to do first of all is you want to Google Internet Download Manager extension. Why not look for it on the Google Chrome Web Store? Well, the reason is IDM have actually not made the extension public because they know that people who don't have the software installed and install the extension will run into problems. So what they've done is they've hidden the link. How do we access that? We're going to discuss that right now. So first Google this. The first thing that you see is actually from the official Internet Download Manager website. So just click on this. As you can see here, the second question is I don't see the integration module extension in the list of extensions in Chrome. How can I install it? They basically tell you that they've hidden it if you pause and read this section, and they will give you the link in this page. Now, by the time that you are watching this video, they may have changed the link, but it's generally a good idea to just go back to this page. They will likely update the link. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the link, and as you will soon see, there you go. We have the integration model. You add this to Chrome, add extension, there you go. It is installed, has been installed. You can turn it on now from here. You can remove it from Chrome. You will also see it in the extension page, as you can see here. So that is how you install IDM extension on your Google Chrome. Thanks for watching. If you found the video useful, like it and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can ask them in the comment section, and you can also check out these videos that you might find equally useful. I will see you later. Bye bye.